Now Zach, this is from Grandma and Grandpa Foxy. It's the biggest gift they could ever find.
Alright, Bean, get out of the way.
What do you think it is?
What do you think, Zach? Oh boy. What is it? Is it a train set?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, you know how much fun we're going to have with this, buddy? Do you see all the pieces on the back there?
You want me to help you open it up, buddy?
Yeah?
Let's open it up. This is
From Grandma and Grandpa.
There's a big fish.
It's a big one. What do you think, bud? Are you excited for your train? Hey, Zach. Hey, look at the camera.
Yeah.
Look at the camera. What do you say to Grandma and Grandpa?
Thank you.
Alrighty.
This is where it parks.
Yeah. That is where it parks.
Will you send them down?
Huh? Is that pretty cool what Papa built for you? Oh boy. Alrighty.